the subject you are writing in your IRS. If you are writing IRS, let me give you a rundown of the topics WAEC said that they will pick questions from. WAEC questions will come from these topics for 2025 WAEC. This year's WAEC, just pay attention. You can see part 1, you can see historical development of Islam. Can you see it on the screen? Arabia before Islam, description of Arabia, location, religious life, idol worship, the life of Prophet Muhammad, birth, marriage, call to priesthood and his mission, hijrah, cause and significance, formation of the Ummah and the Medinan constitution, leadership qualities of the Prophet, the battles, the conquest of Mecca and all the rest. I hope you can read it on the screen. They will have this one. I can't pronounce some of them, so I just need you to know that these are the areas to expect questions. So as you do your revision this morning, today, or this night, anytime you are doing the revision, these are the areas. Look at this one. The rightly guided caliphs. These things will come out. Their biographies, their contribution to Islam, lessons learned from their life. This one, or this one. These caliphs. I hope you are following. Islam in West Africa. These things will come out. If you go to your IRS textbook right now, you will find these things. Okay? Impact of Islam on social, political, economic, and linguistic lives of peoples of ancient African empire like Ghana, Mali, Shanghai, and Kenan, Borno. They will now look at part 2, Quran, the holy book. So revelation of Quran, visit of the Prophet to Cave Hira and all the rest. Just as I want you to watch them on the screen as you make effort to do your final revision with them. Preservation of the Quran, just as you watch them, make sure you read up. Importance of the Quran. The Quran as a source of guidance in social, political, spiritual, and moral matters. Reading in either Arabic text or transliteration. Memorization, meaning of the following surah. So these ones, memorization, transliteration of these things. Okay? These holy passages. Moral lesson from the Quran. Attitude of parents, honesty in words and deeds. These are the things that the holy book teaches. Prohibition of gambling. Definition of Hadith and Sunnah. Differences and similarities between Hadith and Sunnah. Importance of Hadith and Sunnah. Part of this Hadith, criteria for authenticity of Hadith, classification of Hadith. Just do your revision with this, because WAEC will ask you questions from these areas as I'm mentioning them. Okay, reading, I'm just summarizing everything for you. But anyone I mention, just go and flip your textbook and read it up. Part 4, Tawhid and Fiqh, Islamic Theology and Jurisprudence. If you go, articles of faith, belief in Allah, and all the rest. The Prophet with special emphasis on Ibrahim, Noah, Isaiah, the day of resurrection and judgment, eternal life, destiny, Shak, worship of idols, ancestors and hero, Tahara, importance of Tahara. I hope you are seeing them. So go and read them up. As you are reading, I can't pronounce some of the words, but I know you know what I'm showing you. So just go right now and read them up, because they will come out. Fasting, detailed study of sound with emphasis on spiritual, social, and moral objectives. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. Voluntary fast, how fast is observed in Islam? Charity. Okay. Pilgrimage. Definition and origin of Hajj and or Umrah. Prerequisite to the performance of Hajj. I hope rites of Hajj. Marriage, condition governing validity and all the rest. I hope you can see them. Divorce. So you just go. These are the areas that WAEC questions will come from for you as you are a student of IRS. Go now, do your final revision, and I wish you success in this exam. You are going to study, get distinctions in this very, very subject in your WAEC exam. If you claim it, come under the comment and type I claim it. Nothing will make you to fail this year's WAEC. If others are succeeding, you will be one of them to succeed. Come under the comment and type I claim it. If you have any question, let me know. Keep watching our YouTube channel. Go ahead and join our YouTube channel right now. Click right now on like this this very video. Click on like, share this video, copy the link, share it to all your classmates. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed.